Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Practice English with Real Examples.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are here today. If you're learning English, you are in the right place.
Yes, today we will practice simple English, easy sentences, real-life examples.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect. You are learning. You are improving every day.
That's right. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy.
Also, don't forget to follow and share this podcast with your friends.
Okay, let's start.
Topic 1, morning routine.
Let's start with something simple. Morning routine.
Yes, everyone has a morning routine. Let's learn how to talk about it.
First sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Let's say it again. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now listen to me. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Nice. Simple change. Different time.
Now next sentence. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
Great. Now let's make a small dialogue.
Listen carefully.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Nice. Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I do. I brush my teeth.
Very good.
Now you try. Answer this question. What time do you wake up?
Take a moment. Say it out loud.
Good job. You're improving already.
Topic 2, breakfast. Now let's talk about breakfast.
Yes, very important topic.
Simple sentence. I eat breakfast.
Repeat. I eat breakfast.
Now make it more real. My breakfast is simple.
Repeat. My breakfast is simple.
Example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a great example. Very natural.
Let's do a small conversation.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat a banana and bread.
Nice. I drink tea.
Good. Simple and clear.
Now your turn. What do you eat for breakfast?
Say it. Don't think too much.
Even one word is okay. Banana, tea, milk.
Perfect. Keep it simple. Topic 3, daily activities.
Now let's talk about daily activities.
Yes, things we do every day.
Sentence. I go to work.
Repeat. I go to work.
Or I go to school.
Repeat. I go to school.
Next, I study English.
Repeat. I study English.
Very important sentence.
Yes, and you are doing it right now.
Let's create a small dialogue.
Listen first.
Do you work or study?
I study.
What do you study?
I study English.
That's great.
Now repeat after us.
Do you work or study?
I study.
What do you study?
I study English.
Excellent.
Topic 4, talking about feelings. Now let's talk about feelings.
Very useful in real life.
Sentence, I feel happy.
Repeat. I feel happy.
Next, I feel tired.
Repeat. I feel tired.
Example, I feel tired after work.
Good example.
Let's try a conversation.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Why?
Because I am learning English.
That's amazing.
Now your turn. How do you feel today?
Say it out loud. Happy? Tired? Excited? All answers are good.
Topic 5, asking simple questions. Now we learn how to ask questions.
Very important.
Question, where are you from?
Repeat. Where are you from?
Answer, I am from India.
Simple and clear.
Next question, what is your name?
Repeat. What is your name?
Answer, my name is Rahul.
Or any name you like.
Let's do a full conversation.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is Stephanie. What about you?
My name is Ronald.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now repeat with us.
Hi. What is your name?
My name is...
Where are you from?
I am from...
Great job.
Topic 6, talking about free time.
Fun topic.
Sentence, I watch TV.
Repeat. I watch TV.
Next, I listen to music.
Repeat. I listen to music.
Example, I listen to music at night.
Nice and natural.
Conversation time.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV and listen to music.
Sounds relaxing.
Now you try.
What do you do in your free time?
Say it now.
Even small answers are perfect.
Topic 7, repetition practice. Now we will repeat everything together.
Yes, this is very important.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I study English.
I feel happy.
Where are you from?
I watch TV.
Good job.
Let's do it one more time.
Repeat again.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I study English.
I feel happy.
Where are you from?
I watch TV.
Amazing. You are doing great.
Topic 8. Talking about food you like. All right, let's start with food.
Yes, everyone loves food. Easy and fun topic.
Simple sentence. I like rice.
Repeat. I like rice.
Again, I like rice.
Good. Now change the food.
I like pizza.
I like apples.
Nice.
Now a question. What do you like to eat?
Repeat. What do you like to eat?
Answer. I like rice and vegetables.
Simple and clear.
Let's do a small conversation.
What do you like to eat?
I like rice. What about you?
I like pizza.
Nice.
Now your turn. Say it.
What do you like to eat?
Say your answer. Good job. Topic 9. Talking about your city.
Now let's talk about your city.
Very useful in real life.
Sentence. I live in a big city.
Repeat. I live in a big city.
Or, I live in a small town.
Repeat. I live in a small town.
Example. I live in Delhi.
Nice.
Let's make a conversation.
Where do you live?
I live in a big city.
Is it busy?
Yes, it is very busy.
Good.
Now you try.
Where do you live?
Answer it.
You are doing great. Topic 10. Talking about weather.
Now let's talk about weather.
Very common topic.
Sentence. It is hot today.
Repeat. It is hot today.
Next. It is cold today.
Repeat. It is cold today.
Example. It is raining.
Repeat. It is raining.
Conversation time.
How is the weather?
It is hot.
Do you like it?
No, I don't like hot weather.
Good.
Now your turn.
How is the weather?
Answer it.
Nice work. Topic 11. Talking about time.
Now we talk about time.
Important for daily life.
Sentence. It is 5 o'clock.
Repeat. It is 5 o'clock.
Question. What time is it?
Repeat. What time is it?
Answer. It is 6 o'clock. Good. Let's do a dialogue.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Are you free?
Yes, I am free.
Nice.
Now you try.
What time is it?
Say it.
Great job. Topic 12. Talking about friends.
Now let's talk about friends.
Happy topic.
Sentence. I have a friend.
Repeat. I have a friend.
Next. My friend is kind.
Repeat. My friend is kind.
Example. My friend helps me.
Nice sentence.
Conversation.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I do. I have many friends.
What are they like?
They are kind.
Good.
Now your turn.
Do you have friends?
Answer it.
Good. Topic 13. Going to the market.
Now we talk about the market.
Very real life situation.
Sentence. I go to the market.
Repeat. I go to the market.
Next. I buy vegetables.
Repeat. I buy vegetables.
Example. I buy fruits.
Good.
Conversation.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
What do you buy?
I buy vegetables.
Nice.
Now your turn.
Where are you going?
Answer it.
Great. Topic 15. At a shop.
Now imagine you are in a shop.
Very useful English.
Sentence. I want this.
Repeat. I want this.
Question. How much is this?
Repeat. How much is this?
Answer. It 100 rupees.
Good.
Conversation.
How much is this?
It is 50 rupees.
Okay, I will take it.
Nice. Now your turn.
How much is this?
Answer it. Very good.
Topic 15. Daily practice sentences. Now let's repeat important sentences.
Listen and repeat.
I like rice.
I live in a big city.
It is hot today.
What time is it?
I have a friend.
I go to the market.
I want this.
Good job.
Let's repeat again.
One more time.
I like rice.
I live in a big city.
It is hot today.
What time is it?
I have a friend.
I go to the market.
I want this.
Excellent.
Topic 16. Talking about your home. Let's talk about your home.
Yes, very common topic.
Simple sentence. I live in a house.
Repeat, I live in a house.
Or, I live in a flat.
Repeat, I live in a flat.
Next, my house is small.
Repeat, my house is small.
Or, my house is big.
Repeat, my house is big.
Example, my house is clean.
Nice and simple.
Let's make a conversation.
Where do you live?
I live in a house.
Is it big?
No, it is small.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is clean.
Good.
Now your turn.
Where do you live?
Say your answer.
Good job.
Topic 17. Rooms in the house.
Now let's talk about rooms.
Yes, parts of the house.
Sentence, I have a bedroom.
Repeat, I have a bedroom.
Next, I have a kitchen.
Repeat, I have a kitchen.
Next, I have a bathroom.
Repeat, I have a bathroom.
Example, my bedroom is clean.
Nice.
Conversation.
How many rooms do you have?
I have 2 rooms.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I have a kitchen.
Good.
Now you try.
How many rooms do you have?
Answer it.
Great.
Topic 18. Talking about family. Now let's talk about family.
Important topic.
Sentence, I have a family.
Repeat, I have a family.
Next, I have a father and a mother.
Repeat, I have a father and a mother.
Example, I have one brother.
Nice.
Conversation.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is he older?
Yes, he is older.
Good.
Now your turn.
Do you have siblings?
Answer it.
Nice work.
Topic 19. Talking about work.
Very useful.
Sentence, I work in an office.
Repeat, I work in an office. Or, I work from home.
Repeat, I work from home.
Example, I work every day.
Good. Conversation.
Where do you work?
I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job.
Nice.
Now you try.
Where do you work?
Answer it. Great. Topic 21. Talking about study.
Good for students.
Sentence, I study every day.
Repeat, I study every day.
Next, I study English.
Repeat, I study English.
Example, I study at night.
Nice.
Conversation.
When do you study?
I study at night.
What do you study?
I study English.
Good.
Now you try.
When do you study?
Answer it. Excellent. Topic 22. Talking about hobbies.
Fun topic.
Sentence, I like reading.
Repeat, I like reading.
Next, I like playing games.
Repeat, I like playing games.
Example, I like watching movies.
Good.
Conversation.
What do you like to do?
I like reading.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
Nice.
Now you try.
What do you like to do?
Answer it. Great. Topic 22. Talking about weekend.
Relax time.
Sentence, I relax on Sunday.
Repeat, I relax on Sunday.
Next, I meet my friends.
Repeat, I meet my friends.
Example, I watch movies on weekend.
Nice.
Conversation.
What do you do on weekend?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you go out?
Yes, I go out with friends.
Good. Now your turn. What do you do on weekend?
Answer it. Great.
Topic 23. Repetition practice.
Now let's repeat everything.
Listen and speak.
I live in a house.
I have a bedroom.
I have a family.
I work in an office.
I study English.
I like reading.
I relax on Sunday.
Good job.
Let's repeat again.
One more time.
I live in a house.
I have a bedroom.
I have a family.
I work in an office.
I study English.
I like reading.
I relax on Sunday.
Amazing.
Today you learned how to talk about home, rooms, family, work, study, hobbies, and weekend.
You are learning step by step.
Keep speaking every day.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Practice makes you better.
Before we finish, here's a question.
What do you do on Sunday?
Tell us in the comments.
We want to hear your answer.
See you next time.
Keep practicing.
Bye.